Cue card 1.
What are the most important qualities for success in your opinion?
In my opinion, the most important qualities for success are determination, hard work, and a positive attitude. Additionally, being adaptable, having good communication skills, and being a good problem solver are also key to success.
Cue card 2.
What do you think are the advantages of living in a big city?
There are many advantages to living in a big city, including access to better job opportunities, a wider variety of entertainment options, and improved public transportation. Additionally, big cities often have better shopping, dining, and access to quality healthcare.
Cue card 3.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading. I love getting lost in a good book and learning something new. I find it relaxing and it allows me to escape from the real world for a little while.
Cue card 4.
Do you think technology has improved our lives or made them worse?
Overall, I think technology has greatly improved our lives. It has made many things more convenient, such as communication and access to information. Technology has also opened up new job opportunities and made the world a smaller place. However, it can also have negative effects, such as decreased face-to-face communication and increased screen time.
Cue card 5.
What is your favorite holiday destination and why?
My favorite holiday destination is the beach. I love the relaxed atmosphere, the sound of the waves, and the warmth of the sun. Spending time at the beach allows me to recharge and get away from the stress of daily life.
Cue card 6.
What is the best way to stay healthy?
The best way to stay healthy is to adopt a balanced lifestyle. This includes eating a nutritious diet, getting regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Avoiding harmful habits such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is also important.
Cue card 7.
How do you think schools could better prepare students for the future?
Schools could better prepare students for the future by incorporating more practical and hands-on learning experiences. This could include internships, projects, and real-world problem solving. Additionally, teaching critical thinking skills, creativity, and teamwork would also be beneficial.
Cue card 8.
What is the most important issue facing the world today?
There are many important issues facing the world today, but if I had to choose one, it would be climate change. The effects of climate change are already being felt, and it is crucial that we take action now to mitigate its impacts and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.
Cue card 9.
What is your favorite type of music and why?
My favorite type of music is classical music. I love its timeless quality and the way it evokes emotions and memories. Classical music is also incredibly diverse and has something for everyone.
Cue card 10.
What is the most important lesson you have learned in your life so far?
The most important lesson I have learned in my life so far is the importance of self-care. I have learned that taking care of myself, both physically and mentally, is essential for my overall well-being and helps me better handle life's challenges.